Welcome, friends. It's been a long while on this series of My People, My Life, My People, episode 8. Actually, he's celebrating his 50th birthday today, 30th of August 2021. He's none other than my god brother, whom I call him as my god brother, Shiva Ghanshyam Pagrani. There's a famous dialogue in a Marathi drama where they say, when Aurangzeb comes, it's called Agraun Sutkar the Natak, the drama, where Aurangzeb comes to know and is bewildered what Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji is doing. So he has the dialogue is, Shivaji, 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 जिकडे पाहावं तिकडे शिवाजी असा आहे तरी कोण हा शिवाजी. So Shiva Pagrani is of the same caliber in the real life in today's era. It goes way back in 2003 when I was jobless in Goa after working 10 years in UAE for a Danish company, and I was playing cricket and running the show running a restaurant in Los place, and I received a call asking me to join. Shiva Pagrani called me. At that moment when Shiva Pagrani called me, I never knew there existed a name called Pagranis. I thought because I heard of Pagrani, so till I reached Dubai, it was only that I felt that it was Pagrani. And Shiva Pagrani called me and he offered me a job. And he asked me to join within 4 days. Now I knew it was very impossible at those days to have the visa done in 4 days and all that stuff. But Shiva Pagrani got it done and he got me to Dubai. The story starts there when I landed in Dubai and I was playing a game and he wanted me to lead the side as well. His team, Yogi Group, Yogi team at that time, went on to be the famous Yogi Group team later on. And the next day itself I was at work and I was playing as well on the Friday. He backed me up in such a way that there was a person at one whom I had to take him off the side and play with 10 players, and we won a tough game. The first game, Yogi won. From that day onwards, his backing up. He started with me. He had a belief in me. Shiva Pagrani, when I have to talk about Shiva Pagrani, it's like there are so many subjects, between the relation between me and him. He himself has been like a lion, whom I named him as a lion. When we won the first tournament, the way he was leading the side. Let's go to his family background. And Shiva Pagrani belongs to the Pagrani families. He's the eldest of the siblings, son of Sir Ghanshyam Pagrani. Leads his Pekka family. He's the eldest brother. Also has beautiful kids, all into cricket. His wife, who takes care of him and the family, all on the run. He used to play squash, a very good squash player in the early days, and then he took up cricket. He got into passion of cricket from 2001, and then he started building up his team. Shiva Pagrani, passionate cricketer who always wanted to bat, and he was so passionate that he wanted to play in every tournament he would get to play, any team he would get to play. When I came in, I used to have some net sessions with him, and then I cut him off from his batting and I asked him to bowl. He used to have a nice jumpy style of action, and still he does that, bowls wily off spins, like a budgie style, I used to call it. So he was very upset when I used to cut off his batting and make him bowl, but then he understood that he had to go and play and bowl, and he won many games for Yogi. Talking about his cricket, his passion for cricket comes first after the family thing. He's a passionate cricketer who has developed cricket not only in Dubai, in every club sections all over UAE. We started the Yogi group very early, where I led the side and he led the side, and many of the UAE cricketers played for us. We were a very good side. Shiva sir, always a cool-headed person, We had a very good leading season for a long time for Yogi. Shiva Pagrani made his name as a cricketer. He has got some beautiful performances in bowling. He got some 6 wickets against Interface when he had a weak side and he had to play this Interface side and they had scored some runs. We had scored some small runs, Petty scored, and he won the game for us. He got a 50 also against, I think he got a 50 against Delhichari in a very crucial game, which we won, going at number 10. He has done so many greats. He has won so many things in cricket. He has travelled around the world, in England, in Sri Lanka, in Thailand, they go regularly. Well-known cricketer for his wily off-spins, as we call it. Beyond cricket, as we move on, a wily administrator who senses things, keeps his cool, at the same time gives up his time for all his administration, is the director for the Yogi Group, runs the Yogi Group show, runs the ECC show. There are so many divisions which he has to take care of. He travels all around, all the time. Still he's got guys, as I said, like Shivaji Maharaj, as we say. This is also kind of avatar in Dubai, where I always call him in that sort of way. Our relation goes where many people have called us different names. He is also known as Munna Bhai, where I was called as a kid. He's a lion. We call him tiger. I'm a tiger. We go in this kind of combination. Hanuman, Ram, whatever way. That is the relation we build up. Myself with him, our relation, what we have. I work for him. I have to perform for him. Very cool-headed person, not after results. Takes care of things. Understands the situations all the time. Has been a great administrator of cricket in Dubai, where he is a part of Dubai Cricket Council lately since 2012, I guess, 2012, 2013, where Yogi Group, after being a champion for a long time, the council had reached out to him to participate. Since then, he has been around almost 9 years, I guess, where he has done his role for Dubai Cricket Council very honorably. Shiva Pagrani to me and my family is like Aadhar Stambh. Yeah, my wife once told me when I had that arrogant attitude when before joining Yogi, and always I was a little bit. She said, Shania, if you have to grow big, you have to grow under a big tree. You have to come and settle down, keep a tree as your cover. And when I used to tell them about in the first 2 years what was happening and how he was taking care of us, as every staff, as a cricketer. So that tree was there for me, and I looked it up in that way till date, and will look up as long as I can. Shiva Pagrani is a kind of person who governs things, takes care of many families, takes care of many people. Yeah, none must have seen his angry, the third eye opening of Shiva, like how it is now. I have seen it, and it was due to me only at one particular time. We had a game against Afghanistan, and we lost. Yogi lost to Afghanistan, and he was very annoyed, and he was talking something, and I don't know, I had received some call, and he lost his head. That is the first and the last time I saw him that annoyed. I don't know what it was. He was not happy to lose, and we were doing good. So, a very cool-headed person, when his anger is there, he blows it up at times. I have seen it very seldom, almost 10 years. I irritate him a lot all the time for everything what I want. He nurtures, he takes care of the things required, nicely puts it across. And like, the coffee beans which we see in the ads where they take off the coffee beans which is not wanted, convinces, and doesn't just govern in a way where he bosses around, maintains relations, very down to earth person, where he has maintained relations to all the levels of people, carries himself as a true ambassador of a businessman belonging to a good family. The good side of him, he takes decisions very boldly when it's when it's the business point. In the cricket time, in the cricket field, he's a little bit more calculative. Learns the game slowly, now become a master of the game without even much of a early cricket background, because started his cricket very late to earn that knowledge of cricket. Has got some nice wickets in his bowling, takes bold decisions, stands behind them, ready to accept what is coming back and face it well. Learned a lot of things from Shiva sir, as I call him. I learned a lot of things from Shiva sir, a person who could just walk and we could pick up every damn thing what he does. His timing, his time plan management, his way of talking. And I cannot be his fan because there have been times when I have been a little bit tough at him in the cricket times, but other times, all the times, he has been banging me day and night. So, Shiva Pagrani and to his family, I am always obliged. And taking this occasion on his birthday, on his 50th birthday, from myself and all the Parvatkars, and I feel all his friends, for the Mammoths team, which has started, which the group has started when the clubs had closed down. It's become a family now over the last 5 years. From the Mammoths, from the Dubai Cricket Council, I'm sure everybody is keen enough to wish him happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. 50 is done, and lots more to come.